Our boss beats around the bush so much that no one in the office knows exactly what he wants us to do. Instead of beating around the bush, Melinda explained her objection in very clear terms. Next, to come to an end. To end, to stop. This idiom is used with finally and never when some activity lasts too long. This meeting finally came to an end at 10 o'clock in the evening. Even though my friend seemed to enjoy the movie, I thought that it would never come to an end. To put an end to. To put an end to. To cause to end. To terminate in a definite manner. To do away with. The dictatorial government put an end to organized